always wanted to become a lawyer. My parents, coming from a Jewish household, you have three choices. You have a doctor, a lawyer, or an accountant. I didn't like doctor because I didn't like blood and I didn't like needles. I didn't like accountant because I was never that good with math, except from when it comes to money. Law was always my passion. I always wanted to be a lawyer. It was always my dream, to be honest with you. It's like Biggie Small says, first you got to be the client before you become the president, right?
Mhm.
So I had some legal troubles when I was younger. Growing up in Brooklyn, it's a little bit of a tough road because it's a different animal. And when I was 16, I got arrested for sale of ecstasy to an undercover cop. Basically, I thought that was going to definitely, change my whole path because, there is a portion when you become a lawyer where they also ask you about your background and they ask you about what things you have done. So I thought that might have stopped me, but in the end, I was young, I was 16, and they understood that it was a mistake, and people can make mistakes, and that's exactly what the law is about. If you make a mistake, you still have a right to continue with your life, to continue going forward, to be able to pursue your dream. That's America, and that's the best part about this country. So that's basically how it all started. I wanted to become the president, but I became a client first, not by choice, but that's just the way it was. So that's how I started. It wasn't an easy road. I didn't become a lawyer right away. I didn't go to law school straight out of college. I went to Stony Brook University after high school, went there for 4 years. I got back into the club promotion because that's what I used to do. I used to be a club promoter. And that's why I'm, very good with people. And that's why I can, get business because of my, people interaction skills.
Mm.
But what happened was I waited till I was 30 to go back to law school. So I, worked for a law firm for 6 years before I went to law school, made sure this is what I wanted to do. And I realized this is what I want to do. I realized that I'm good at it. I love it. I like to help people. There's a lot of money that could be made too, which doesn't hurt either, to make myself have a better life. I didn't grow up with
Right.
a silver spoon in my mouth.